What's up, guys? I hope you're all well. Today we are checking out something from Xfinity. We are going to check out a thing that's called Xfinity Flex, which is basically just a little streaming box that I can do on demand, check out on demand stuff, and probably connect Hulu and Netflix too, maybe some shows for Bailey and Lucy behind me. But alright, let's see what they put in the box. Ooh. They gave me, here it is. Throw that over there. Here it is. This is what they sent right there. So let's open this bad boy up and get a look at everything. Let's see. They sent us, of course, a power cord. They sent us the funky little box. Interesting. HDMI cable, and a remote. So let me get all this crap set up for you guys, and I will see you then. Alrighty, guys, I got it all set up. I was going to show the whole setup, but I wasn't sure if, Comcast wanted me to verify some personal information, which they did. So let's check this out. Let's see, you got Peacock, Hulu, CBS, Prime Video, YouTube down here. New this week. Got all this stuff. Ooh, Spotify can. I'm just kidding. Free to me. Looks like there's a bunch of movies. Live TV. Oh, let's see what we can do. There's Pluto. All these popular apps, popular channels. I want to see something real quick, so I want to go to live TV. If I go back this way, go here. Let's go check out live TV. Okay. Let's see. Does it give me a channel lineup? All channels. Yeah, let's go TV. Let's see if we get. Doesn't look like I get any local channels. Get some channels here. Let's see if I go talk to the remote. Fox. Doesn't work. I don't think I fully paired it, but that's okay. So you got all these channels. Okay, back it up. Let's go with some sports. That's what I'm talking about right there. See if we get some live sports. Some. We get Fox Sports, so let's see what that is. Okay, you're entering a third-party application. Cool. Let's see what Zumo is. Okay. So there we go. Trying to get out of this. Let's get out of this. Oh, jeez. How do you get out? Exit? There we go. Of course, as soon as I get on there, talk about the virus, but that's okay. I was hoping it would be better, but yeah, I was hoping to get like local channel. I don't understand what the hell Comcast's problem is anymore of not being able to get local channels, or if you have like a channel lineup, you can't watch Fox or CBS unless you're on your own Wi-Fi. So what the hell is the point? And I'm 99% sure the reason Comcast does that is because they're not contracted with the NFL. And the NFL's on CBS and Fox. 21, 22 weeks out of the year. That's it. Not even half a year. Oh, well, whatever. Nearly half a year, but still it's like, oh, well. So, yeah, I got all these little things here. Let's see, I have popular apps and stuff like this. Yeah, so there we go. So that's basically it about what I expected. If you are a Comcast internet-only subscriber, then you can get one of the Flex boxes for free. Or if you need 2 Flex boxes, you get one for free and the second one for $5 a month. I figured, let me just get one to check it out. I don't know if I'll actually use this or not. Haven't decided. But I thought it would be really nice if I gave you guys just a small, short review of it. Like I was saying, I really hope I was hoping to get actual live channels, but maybe if I dig through it a little bit more, I'll be able to, figure out if I do or don't. But initial reaction, it's cool. I mean, if you need something like this, it's perfect. But most TVs now come with, smart capability that you can get your Netflix, your Hulu, your Amazon video, your YouTube. So, I mean, I think this is just Comcast's way of saying, hey, look, we're competing with Roku. But anyways, guys, I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time. Take care.